When should you actually get a repricer for your Amazon business? This is the questions I am going to answer today. This is the questions that we had on the Discord server, and this is questions that actually I see a lot of beginners asking, and I'm just going to tell you my story of when I actually started using a repricer and what I think you should do. But before I do, we have a Discord server, a best place to ask any questions you may have regarding selling on Amazon, best place to network and meet other sellers. So if you want to meet other sellers, because this is the thing that's going to get you ahead, to be honest. I'm so glad I did it because I was not against it, but like I did not think that it would help me that much. It actually helped me a lot with a lot of stuff. So link in the description if you want to join the Discord server, and it starts. So to answer the question shortly, when I started my online arbitrage business, and I should say when I started doing retail arbitrage, I got Bqool directly. I did not, wait to get a repricer because it was just $25. You can just get the $25 plan. They do not have a big paywall. Like you're just gonna have to pay $25 to start using the tool. And by the way, you've seen that thing? You've seen that thing? I don't know which side it is. It's yeah. I got my social medias right there if you want to follow me, by the way. New addition to the recalling. So we are upping the quality. We are getting on some other social media. So yeah, let me resume with the video. So as I said, I started with the $25 plan, and if you've watched my videos in the past, if you've been watching me for a little while, you know that I upgraded to the $20 to the $100 plan. I'm sorry. Really a long way down the road. I upgraded when I was close to $40,000 a month in sale. So you can still definitely work with the $25 plan. I have a whole video explaining giving you my exact repricing rule, the rule that you can use to have the best results. So you can definitely work with that. Now it's a lot of work, and like the thing is this: if you do it's already a ton of work if you do it with the $25 plan. So if you do not even use a repricer, it's way more work because you need to update your price manually, or you just need to wait until you get the buy box. But just get the repricer. It's so much easier. There's a link in the description, by the way, that will give you a 14-day trial. I believe it's 14 days. I will have a little something because it's an affiliate link, so it is appreciated if you want to join the free trial with this link, or you can just get a free trial any other way. But if you want to support the channel, it's a great way to do it. Now, as I said, the thing is that you're gonna have to create your own rules to cover as much ground as you can, right? Because it's not, the thing is, when you have the AI repricing rule, they do basically everything for you, and you only get the AI repricing rule when you get the $100 plan. Right, so with the $25 plan, not only it reprices every 15 minutes, with the $100 plan it's instant. It's not really instant, but it's as fast as Amazon allows, right? And the $100 plans will definitely make your life easier, but you don't need it when you start repricing, when you start your business. So I would say, like, if I were to start again, I would get the $25 plans immediately. And but it is not necessarily needed. You can do it manually, but it's a lot of work. The repricer is going to work for you every 15 minutes. It's like having someone all the time over there, like changing your price for you. So it's going to speed up your sales a lot. So this is what I would recommend. Now, if you do not have the money, it's just $25. But if you do not want to make the investment, you can do it manually. I know people that got close to $10,000 in sale without the repricer, but like I would not do it that way myself. All right, so this is my answer to these questions. Join the Discord server, like this video, subscribe, do all that stuff. Watch these videos on the screen if you want to learn more about Amazon. I release a new video on selling on Amazon every single day. So subscribe, like this video as I said. I'll see you tomorrow.